Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Time to take a look at the LEGO Friends Botanical Garden set. This just came out on June 1st and I am loving the look of this. I saw this on the pictures and I went, I have to have it day one, and I was lucky enough to get it. We get 3 characters there and I'm rubbing the box because this is the set that I had to have. Now, I found this in Kmart for $109, so I was really lucky because the LEGO store, they want $140. So I made a saving there. I only bought one for now, but I am loving this. I love all the different plants and they're going by their botanical names there. And those, the frangipani flowers, are my favourite, and so are the birds of paradise. So let's take a peek at what we get. Let's rip open this protective wallet for the instruction booklet, and we get a small sticker sheet set. So that's good. Not many stickers to apply. It is a 12 plus set, so more advanced building techniques in this. And take a look in the instructions. The usual instructions. Oh, but here it tells you all the botanical names of the flowers that we will be building in this set, so that's cool. I can't read those properly or pronounce them, so I'm not even going to attempt that. And there is no map. I can't believe they didn't put a map in this. Oh well, I'll have to make up where it goes in my city. So 1,072 pieces in this. I cannot wait to show you guys what this set looks like. Alrighty, let's build. Leon's up first and I am loving that shirt she's wearing. It's tucked in and you can see a belt there. The printing is great on her. Same hairstyle that she's had before, but check it out. We get this silver grey pen. I don't have one of those, and a book there about plants. So these are all the plants that she's going to look at today at the Botanical Garden. So she is going to hold that. I'm going to sit her down. Actually, no, she is going to lay down and read a book like that. Now we have Nico. We've seen his shirt before at the international school. It looks really good. He's got a big grin, but I think he's visited the new hairdresser. Check out his big wavy buffy hair. I love it. So this is him from the international school. His hair was a lot flat there, and now he's got some serious body. I am loving that. Need to visit that hairdresser, I think. We're going to give him a camera to hold because he's going to be taking lots of pictures, and a selfie stick with his phone on there. He's going to be doing lots and lots of photography because there's so many exotic plants at this place. And now we've got Addie. Same shoes and skirt from the downtown stores, but this time she's got an apron on, and there's like little yellow or orange flowers printed on there, and the little tie at the back. It's great printing on her. Love her hair. I think she's one of my favorites at the moment, and she's getting some scissors because she's going to do some bonsai trimming. Little picnic rug set up because you come to this beautiful place, you want to have a picnic under the tree. Got lots of yummy food here, croissant and a lettuce leaf to be healthy. Leon's going to come over and so is Nico. He's going to take some photos and he needs to sit down. Yeah, he's too excited. This is the start of the pond and this looks incredible. I have never built a pond like this before. It is so detailed. I absolutely love this set. Get this little lime green frog and we get some koi fish to put inside. finally a brown ducky, not a yellow rubber ducky, and all these lily pads and beautiful flowers in the pond, and here's the sign to let you know what they are. This pond has a large waterfall that flows into it, and it actually comes from a fountain on top of the roof, which I found quite interesting and very beautiful to build. There is a lot of advanced building here, as you can see, with the different parts and the snot bricks. Check out those cacti there, they look amazing. I love how they're built. But this set is great, like for the advanced Lego builder, like kids, and for the adults. Like, it's not too hard to build, but it looks absolutely stunning. The architecture on this is fabulous. This section here is for the indoor frangipani tree, and there's like little seating there. Oh, this is looking great already. The design of this set really does replicate a beautiful botanical garden. I am in awe of whoever designed this, and the way the plants are built, they're amazing too. Like, you'll see the techniques used to build these plants is fabulous. And we've got this prickly looking plant here. And now this one is that stinky plant that smells, that everyone goes and photographs somewhere. I think it's in Malaysia. Not sure, don't quote me. But look at this. Micro scale sized birds of paradise. What a beautiful plant. If you haven't guessed by now, I am super excited about this set. I absolutely love it. I love the architecture of this set, and that they didn't go down the modern route, that they added all these arches in. It just makes the set look so stunning from the front and on the inside with all the curves. This is for the pitcher plants that are made out of the saxophones. That is so clever. Who would have thought saxophones as plants? But I just love all the details in this set. This is a very grown up LEGO Friends set. This is perfect for all the AFOLs out there. Loving this skylight sunroof, and just adding more details to the front of this building. Oh, it looks incredible. The colour palette of this set is perfect, with those sand green windows, the light nougat like accents they've added, and just keeping it all white. Oh, I love this set so much. It looks so sophisticated and grown up. Here's that beautiful water fountain with a little bird on top, cascading the waterfall down the side. And these dome pieces, they look pretty cool. Mine aren't too badly scratched, which is great. And this here is for the rotating butterflies. So you get to spin the butterflies around your dome. So that just attaches here onto it. And then we need the finishing touch of this lid that looks like a little fairy hat. It's so cute, so pretty. It reminds me of 1910, 1920s architecture, or the design here. Forgot some little flower parts there. Now building one of my favourite trees, a frangipani tree, and I love how they did the flowers for this, using the star pieces and putting the little flowers on top. That looks beautiful. This is another section of the tree, and this part reminds me of some pronged weapon. I don't know, from some Marvel movie for some reason. But once you get the leaves and flowers on, it looks a lot better. I don't know, it just reminded me of a weapon. There we are, take a look at that. There's the sign for the tree and for that stinky plant. This is looking simply stunning. Bag 7 does all the finishing touches, and we will be building a little bonsai plant. That is so clever. I love the use of those parts, the green parts. And I finally got some of those fern pieces, and we use these magenta frogs on those flowers. Little park bench, and this reminds me of from the creator set with the use of the snake parts for the bench. That ornate detailing. Time to build the beautiful cherry blossom tree. Now I got a little confused with which way I should put the curved bit, so I have fixed it once I have placed it where it's meant to go. I love those light pink leaves. I need to get more of those. Oh no, Bricklink, here I come. See what I mean? I think I put the curved parts around the wrong way. But now I've worked it out. It needs to look like this. Just adding the extra branches on this tree, and then the finishing touches here with some more of the flowers. What a stunning tree. There we are, all finished. What a set this is. The LEGO Friends Botanical Garden set. Okay, this is a must-have for any Friends collector, anyone who loves plants, any AFOL really. This will look stunning in any city. I love this set, the architecture, the colours, the building techniques. They have really hit it out of the park with this set. This is a must-have set. I'd even pay full price for this. Yes, I said it, I'd pay full price for this. All right, so everyone, get your bricks out.